Oleh tunya isinding class 12 physical chemistry chapter poimo mama chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics ka changin reaction kinetics lege cha. Okay, so yai chapter yai unit in tutu nai le rate of chemical reactions. Chemical reaction te rate calculation hitang pi. Ujian calculation tam pi ma tunya hidile calculation tam pi ya. Okay, basically how will you define chemical kinetics? It's a branch of physical chemistry which deals with khatna bang rate of reactions. Ni na bang rate of reaction te okay thildang banga chi chenga why rate of reaction hard mo almo okay, so factors on which okay rate of reactions depends. Number 2. Okay, finally mechanism of reactions yeleng okay chemical kinetics thutun te laga khatai. So okay, chemical kinetics chitum kisa rate of reactions, factor on which rate of reaction depends, then mechanism. Rate of reactions again my next introduction can had reaction hata can had ola can had moderate why jagena rate of reaction calculate chemical reaction tenga calculate janga phatom veklo chiti study there. Then rate of reactions in there general expressions for rate of reactions in there why kom kalena why kom in okay, so example in there which reactants, okay, reactants talk is a rate of disappearance of kichiri, you will understand. Okay, for the product, rate of appearance, ROA, okay, rate of appearance, which unit for rate of reactions, rate law definition ipedia, which order of reactions, okay, first order, second order, third order, example to okay, and there will be lots of numerical involved here, okay, graphical representation, poimo, namun muna. India graphical chichu rate reactants concentrations of reactants bangcha with time decrease concentration product increases with time I think again graph representation that total factor on which rate of reaction depends again poimo mama detail in explanation to ibole numerical tampi calculation again banga chemical kinetics calculation dim mai waiter tamthi lamlam yen de hocha lena reaction can cut very fast male yes very fast reactions. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate gong test tube khata koi khom le chen in a microsecond 10 to the power 6 okay. Microsecond, what happened? Okay, silver AgCl, okay, AgCl PPT, this is PPT, precipitate, chichu atunga tui siang kiu kiau himai thiu, ai hong khal hediu ai kile aromong tuam ma, so hong thiku ma hong khal hiao, so this is PPT, silver nitrate, and the byproduct is NaNO3. Chemical reaction tenglaga hard pen pola okay, Neihsial to silver nitrate. So this is one example of very fast reactions. Why jaga rate of reactions here there calculate manlo phatom lo ma okay. So rate of reactions for this is very fast. Okay, you cannot calculate. Nina very slow reactions on nona reactions all example of rusting of irons. Okay, it takes years. Kum khat bangla mai ma okay in kunga si ko le moisture je ke voile dai je ka all 2 years. So it takes years to complete the reactions. The rate of reactions calculate so rate of reactions for this is not practicable, but moderate moderate reactions it's rate fast low slow low lai hol example suppose you know nitrogen with hydrogen you mix with hydrogen you have this ammonia balance of 2 nitrogen hydrogen group 2 6 okay hallo ollo lai hol speed lai hol ka ya you know bangje ka ya ne out chiga mechanism le nitrogen ka triple bond hai hydrogen ka single bond hai okay you need some you need this bonds to break like it's they will form NH3 is like this extra electron on the lower plane here anyway this is how it is formed okay. So here bond break here bond form bond breaks and bond form so it takes what is a kin low process ka what is a kin so for moderate reactions rate of reactions is measurable ki calculate thai ma why takahi study dio chemical kinetics and it's na okay see for general reactions okay reactants produce product R for reactants P for products so rate of reactions is what okay. Thu geldi hile concentration of reactants tom de but concentration of product increases tom de chemical reaction hi paida ni ai reactant te nile thumum the reactant te concentration tom de product ka concentration khang de so bangchi geldi so you write like this time taken with time how is concentration of a reactant decreases is equal to with the passage of time what happened concentration of product increases okay rate of reactions definition here which is a symbol in a so rate of reactions so we'll represent by n okay rate of reactions average rate of reactions okay average rate of reactions so del okay this square bracket concentration symbol even square bracket is for concentration right so of reactants with time delta t bangchina then okay patuma concentration of reactants le reaction top tana concentration of reactants like exact del r divided by del t t equal to 0 on keep on t equal to 5 so del t change in time is 5 minus 0 right under okay so minus here on bangjak okay there's a decrease of concentration of reactants equal to plus positive lama concentration of product is increasing so del concentration of p del t by Hardy so here negative sign indicate what indicates decrease in concentration of R positive indicate increase in concentration of product. Now okay, rate of reactions expression. Okay, general expression of rate of reactions in forms You know, say you have this reactant A to B, but here coefficients. Algebra 2x equal to 5. Okay. Coefficient of x is 2. Algebra home, okay, arithmetic, we call this coefficient. X coefficient. But in chemistry, what happened is, say suppose, okay, 5 moles of nitrogen plus 3 moles of hydrogen. Okay. Coefficient in chemistry term we call it stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric coefficients. Okay. Chemistry has stoichiometric coefficient again. This is more correct. As actually why is a okay, hydrogen to nitrogen go from there is ammonia produce. Example number that's why we have to use stoichiometry. So A and B are stoichiometric coefficient of A and B respectively. And A to B stoichiometric coefficient bangza za yan tong ki gong khomul product C to D on produced out C and D, right? Well, C stoichiometric C, D stoichiometric D. So A, B, C, and D are stoichiometric coefficient. Right? Okay. Rate of reactions, average rate of reactions, average rate of reactions. So minus on D because this is reactant and B also is reactant. Because concentration of A bang, B bang decrease the money. So del D and then there'll be this stoichiometric coefficient will be going there again 1 by A. Right, so D. So coefficient of A del T, right, is equal to B le reactance concentration decrease there. So 1 by B del concentration of B del T equal to a product here product plus plus it is understood as plus. So concentration of C divided by concentration of del T. 1 by D concentration of D divided by del T. Take a rate of reactions, average rate of reactions expression. Then a formal definition of rate of reactions. So it is stoichiometric coefficient 1 by 1 by. Okay. So reactants are minus 2 product plus 2. Again concomitant tilkhat idioma. Rate of reactions de chini na kikhente khatka average rate of reactions to again. And in instantaneous rate of reactions. So in le average rate of reactions here instantaneous rate of reactions bangchi mudi. Okay, instantaneous rate of reactions. Okay, instantaneous rate of reactions you modi there ya del pencha you change it to small d. Okay. Instantaneous is at that moment a time the time at that 5 seconds. What is that rate? Yeah, average keep on t equal to 0 keep on t equal to 10 seconds. What is the average rate? Now instantaneous time value t equal to 5. What is that? T equal to 10. What is that rate of reactions? Okay, for instantaneous small d average del means what? Big change. Del om namun tenga small d ko election your instantaneous rate of reactions. So 1 by A. Okay. Del om ta del the concentration of A dt. Yes. Okay. Minus 1 by B. Oh, sorry. Small d small d b by dt plus 1 by c and small d c by dt. D by d dt, right? Instantaneous rate of reaction, average rate of reactions. Hey again komina again bedi heto kizoi ton. Ini mama. Nah. So example. Yang cik lale. Okay. XII dinner 2A combined with 3B giving say 4C, right? Ethical reactants and product. Average rate of reactions calculate RAVG. Instantaneous rate of reactions calculate. Okay, start. So minus stoichiometric coefficient comes down. So d a del t equal to minus 1 by 3 del b del t equal to plus 1 by 4 del c del t. Okay, average rate of reactions. Instantaneous rate of reactions 1 by 2 small d a dt minus 1 by 3 d p dt plus 1 by 4 d concentration c dt. Okay. No, example 1, example 2, 3x plus 1y is giving 2z. Average rate of reactions 1 by 3 del x del t to minus 1 by 1 del y del t equal to plus 1 by 2 del z del t. Average instantaneous rate minus 1. Okay, delom namun tengah small d koi di. Small d. Nah. Yeah, I discussion by concurrent new heading, okay? Rate of appearance product to say suppose here rate of appearance of z. Okay, so from R O A. Okay. Rate of appearance of Z bangchini gyaldi ole. So this will be ROA will be ZA like okay. Yeah. A stoichiometric coefficient te boy below. So you just put modulus del Z del T. Okay, del Z del T is rate of appearance of Z. Stoichiometric coefficient by below. And on rate of disappearance reactants te to kisa rate of appearance of disappearance of any one of them x bang hile. So ROD of x will be what? Modulus of del x, right? Del t. Coefficient here, assign him y below. This is rate of appearance. The same way, rate of what? Rate of disappearance of y. Rate of disappearance of y will be what? Coefficient boy below, assign the boy below. So keep on modulus sunga koi del y divided by del t, right? Okay, good. Now we know to unit of rate of reactions and all. Unit of rate of reactions. Rate of reactions by definition is what? Atung concentration and time. Yes. Concentration ka mole per liter. Second. So mole ka spelling mol ya symbol ani gal mol mol liter ano yang paisu second le no yang why sagina unit of rate of reaction is mole liter inverse second inverse second ba hada naute good. Numerical game sa na tam pi diwa pan pa diwa enale right, okay, average rate of reactions, comma, rate of appearance of nitric oxide, rate of disappearance of oxygen for the following reactions. Say for ammonia plus 5O2 is giving 4NO plus 6 water molecule. Okay. Average rate, jaldi. Rate of appearance of NO. Yeah, product, first member of the product by rate of appearance. Kenai koi modulus sungai koi dan. Rate of disappearance of O2, yai O2. White angle dima. So khatna yai dot ni na okay. Question 2 mai. So now we know le answer average average rate of reactions gel pani le. So product here, no, this is reactants. Reactants here minus on the okay, coefficient 1/4 also. Del ammonia divided by del T equal to minus 1/5 del O2 del T equal to plus 1/4 del NO del T plus 1/6 del water del T. Okay. Question number 1 zauta. Average rate of reactions. Rate of rate of appearance of NO. Rate of appearance of this product. First member of the product. Rate of appearance of for NO. So again, modulus sunga koi di. Where is the NO part? Yeah. Stoichiometric coefficient by P loading. So del NO concentration of this del T. Rate of appearance of and the rate of appearance of water. Okay, so how will you write rate of appearance for water? Modulus del water del by del T. Modulus koi 0. Rate of disappearance of O2. Rate of disappearance of O2 how will you write? Modulus koi di O2 here omna pen here minus sign to coefficient here by P low. So del O2 concentration del T. Okay. And now question number 2. Okay. For the reactions, say N2 plus 3 ammonia, water, 3 molecules of ammonia, giving 2 molecules of nitrogen. Okay. And now questions is like condition is given during the transformation of ammonia okay. 2 moles of nitrogen disappear in 1 minute time is given. Okay. 2 moles of nitrogen disappear in 1 minute to give what? Ammonia. So find find average rate of reactions on the rate of disappearance of hydrogen. This one. Rate of appearance of ammonia. Mana product. Rate of appearance of ammonia less on the. Volume is given. The volume of the vessel of the beaker is how much? 1 liter. Okay. Answer average rate of reactions. Average rate of reactions. Why Madivana Tilkat Denanki and Lachania? So, Egel Madivana, not Denale. What did it say? 2 moles of nitrogen disappear. Okay. That means what? The rate of change of nitrogen. Del outside the equation, del N2 concentration of this with time. Well, how much is it? It says, and the nitrogen is the reactant, so minus 9. Okay. He says 2 moles, okay, per liter, per 1 liter. In what time is given? 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute time is given. 1 minute. Okay. Why am I in minute less second and then so okay, minus 2 mole. Okay. Liter 1 liter. Okay, 60 seconds. This is minus cancellation 1 by 30. 2 1 is 2, 2 30, 60. So 1 by 30 mole liter inverse, second inverse. Okay. Del N2 by del T 1 minus 1 by 30 mole liter inverse, second inverse. Okay, quick. Yeah. Okay, good. So, rate of reactions. This is average rate of reactions. So, nitrogen is 1, it's a reactant, so there will be minus 1 by 1. Del N2 del T equal to minus 1 by 3 del H2 del T. Product plus 1 by 2 del ammonia concentration del T. Okay. Question number 1 done. By 2. And the rate of reactions. Okay, and all in numerical tampion ki pek homa answer le numerical ide huthomam de jakina ichine no le. So it's all about what our reactions is about what nitrogen no le in lecture. Yeah, reactions about nitrogen. It's about change in concentration of nitrogen. Yeah. So you can write again rate average is equal to okay yeah by 1 by 1 which is 1, and then this value is how much? So I calculate heat, so minus 1 by 30 mole liter, yeah, liter inverse, second inverse. Okay? Minus into minus plus. So what you get is 1 by 30 mole liter inverse, second inverse. Average rate is this much in terms of numbers, right? Question number 2, so what is it? Rate of disappearance of hydrogen. Rate of disappearance of hydrogen. Rate of disappearance of hydrogen. So, yeah, ER, okay, to calculate the our average of R, average R is how much? Yeah, hydrogen to kisayon domay jakin yeah pen lang. So average is equal to minus 1 by 3 del hydrogen del T, right? Yeah, our average rate calculate hinta hai value ko isko le 1 by 30 mole second inverse equal to minus 1 by 3 modulus hai ko le modulus hai right. Okay, and cross multiply hai ke le hai poimo ta cha okay. Poimo is long by H2 concentration. Okay, so del T modulus, okay, modulus equal to so so it's like this 1 by 30 by minus a coefficient ka okay. Three two lampai tu, 1 by 30 no yang pai su, right? Tilkhat na thi diu, yeah minus modulus apa pija, okay? So sign to pai homa ya, so that becomes plus. Le actually here minus beta, so this minus is no more. Okay, so 3 by 30. This is 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10. Okay, so rate of disappearance of okay, this one. What is this? This is rate of disappearance of a reactants, which is hydrogen. So this is rate of disappearance of hydrogen is 1 by 3, 1 by 10 mole liter inverse, second inverse. Question number 3, Question number 3 is rate of appearance of ammonia. Rate of appearance of ammonia NH3. Average rate I keep on calculating so our average is equal to ammonia omna koi ammonia omna yeah plus half ammonia del H NH3 square bracket del T. This is rate of appearance of ammonia. So here pen poimo so okay a value le koi photo then I calculate the mass apena 1 by 30 mole liter inverse second inverse 1 by 2 is there, and then this is NH3 and then T. Okay. Yay. So and 3 del T pen pai khase transfer pai actually 1 by 30 and then 2 goes up cross multiply. This is 1 is 2 to 15. So what you find out is 1 by 15. So rate of disappearance of ammonia, appearance of ammonia, del T is given by this. So unit is small, liter inverse, second inverse. Okay. Question number 3, let's go. Question dang hinani. Say nitrogen pentoxide N2O5, 2 molecules, giving 4 times of NO2 plus O2. And all okay, for these reactions, for the reaction, this if rate of appearance of O and O2, product rate of appearance of is 2 moles per liter per second. Find average rate of reactions, Ninabang rate of disappearance, rate of disappearance, rate of disappearance of who? The reactant N2O5. Ethical zone. Answer. Chemical reaction is this N2O5 giving 4 NO2 plus O2. Okay. So listen. Rate of appearance of NO2 is 2 moles. So it's given by question. What you know is rate of appearance of NO2. This is rate of appearance of NO2. Del NO2 del T. This is rate of appearance of NO2 is 2 moles. 2 mole liter inverse second inverse. Condition हम किपिया थी दी. Question number 1 bang. Average rate zone masadi. So this is reactant, so 1 minus 2 del N2O5 del T plus 1 by 4 del NO2 del T plus 1 by 1 del of O2 del average rate of reaction. Rate of disappearance, number 2 and question number 2. Rate of disappearance of N2O5. So rate of disappearance of what? N2O5. So average, this is average rate equal to N2O5 from now. Okay. So this is over here. Minus half modulus equal del N2O5 del T. Okay. Yay poimo. So yalang pai pele plus del N2O5 del T is 5. Average rate R. R average by 30. Here it will be divided by 1 by 2. Average rate, then I calculate it's 2 moles. 2 mole liter inverse, second inverse. Okay, and wala bang 2 lipay to. Okay, so 2 into R, and then cross multiply the 2 into 2R. Okay, so okay. Rate of reactions le numbers. The number on depends on numbers. So okay. Rate of reactions of what? NO2. It's all about NO2. Where is that? So R average NO2. Average NO2. NO2, NO2 is 2 moles. Okay, this is in terms of number. Okay, 2 moles. NO2 here, over here. Okay, so 1 by 4 del NO2 concentration del T. Okay, which is okay, yeah, value light is a 2 mole liter inverse second inverse. This is 1 by 4 del NO2 del T. Okay, cross multiplier. So NO2, this is half. How? Okay. So so here value NO2 del T. This is 2 over. Okay, 1 by 4 will be going up there. 1 by 4. Okay. Well, calculation now check. Yeah. Okay. And what now? Okay. Average rate is how much? Okay. This is 4 del NO2 concentration del T. Okay. So to my calculate to bang del NO2 but del T is 2. So 1 by 4 into 2 unit ki bang mole liter inverse second inverse, right? So cancel. So this is 1 by 2. Okay. Average rate small liter inverse second inverse. So rate of average is half. So then okay. So yeah, number 2. Rate of disappearance N205 so this is correct. N205 is what here over here. Okay, so here keep on. So N205 will now pipe feature bangji. So average rate of reactions 1 by 2 mole, yes, liter inverse second inverse. Okay, minus half del N205 del T. Okay, square bracket on back. Okay, so rate of disappearance of N205 assign tong plus so del N205 okay, del T. Okay, so half is over there, and this will be okay, 1 by 2 1 by okay, this will go down. This will be in the reciprocal, right? In the reciprocal. 1 by pi circle. So this is half, right? This is half. Okay, minus half. Okay, unit is same. So line pina 1 by 2 pi sukti. Yes, 2 by 1, right? So 2 and 2 and cancel. So 1. So rate of disappearance of N205 also is 1 mole liter inverse second inverse. Done. This is the correct answer. Next. Then I again well graph apoi mahutin explain diwa. And the now. Okay, so graphical representation. Of what? See, suppose okay, reactance lam khaya lam on there x and y axis. This will time kha z x axis. So with the passage of time, what happened to the concentration of reactants? It decreases. Product labangji, product. See, product concentration is on the y-axis. Time, this is the time. So x-axis, y-axis. With the passage of time, concentration of product increases. Okay. So you get concentration of concentration of what? Reactants. Yeah, reactants decreases with time. Yeah, concentration of product increases with time. Okay, here increase pangtaniam increase for the with time. Then become constant with time. Then become constant. Okay? A straight line here or not? Okay? Increase with time for some time. Then is constant. I lay ethene on you. What is this one? Del lithium, deuterium, okay, of any reactants A with T. Okay. Rate of change of concentration of A with time. Okay, ideally, suppose reactance is A. Suppose here, okay, what is in the case of d by dt product, right? Product is say C. Okay. Graphically, what do they mean? Yan ole, gil satu kibang simdi, yang basic mana, okay? Yan time. Okay. Suppose the graph is like this, okay? At this point, what is dA by dt? Okay? Take a tangent. Tangent is a straight line. Where's my right pen? Take a tangent here, straight line. Okay. And this is x. Okay? The tangent make theta angle with the positive x-axis. Yeah, positive x-axis here. No? This is the theta. Okay. What is the theta? Theta is the angle tangent made with the positive direction of x-axis. Direction of positive x-axis. Yes? Uchile and you dA by dt. Del A by del T. Okay? It's a slope of the graph. Yes. So what is slope? Slope to m. We represent by m. This is what the tan theta. Okay? What is the tan theta? How will you represent this one? Change in y-axis divided by change in x-axis, dy by dt. Right? And this can be written as dy by dt. This is exactly dA by dt. Slope, tangent. Slope is given by m. Tangent is exactly d by dt, dA by dt. Right? Then I have product graph okay. Product concentration increases with time and becomes constant. This positive x-axis, this y-axis. At this point, draw a tangent. Theta bangita di, this theta. The tangent make theta with the positive x-axis. Then again, this is a slope. This is a low P slope. This is a low P. What is this? This is tan theta. This is same as dy by dx. This is what? d by dt of concentration of C. Why is it d by dt of C is what? It is a slope. dA by dt is what? This is slope of the tangent. Right. Numerical khatinon there. Again, chemical kinetics are full of numericals. And you will for these reactions, N2 plus 3H2 is giving 2 molecule of NH3. What did you find? Rate of reactions on the Bina rate of reactions, rate of disappearance of N2. The graph is given here. Graph on okay. Time here. X-axis, y-axis. You'll have a concentration of H2. Yeah, this H2. So this is in moles per liter. Mole per liter inverse, right? Yeah, change pesuka. Yeah, x value 4, right? Y value 6. 6, right? Okay, so line this is 2. Y lama value is 10. Now so this is x1, this is x2, this is y1. This is okay. Now in the x1 are 2 here. Who y counterpart? This have to be y1. Yes. x2 is 4. His counterpart on the y-axis is this equal to 6, which is y2. Okay. So okay. Answer khatna rate of reactions. Okay. R average. Reactants, so minus 1 by 1. Okay, instantaneous at zongni poiler again d small d you put N2 dt, right? Hydrogen are 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 d H2 dt. For the product plus 1 by 2 small d ammonia dt, right? Now rate of rate of disappearance of now ये graph क्या तो कैसा है? Nitrogen है, hydrogen. It's about hydrogen. Device है क्या? Rate of hydrogen, rate of d by dt of hydrogen. Calculate masa करनी. Okay. Then जे काय क्या नो? This is what? These are all d by dt of A, d by dt of C is all what? It's a slope, which is given dy by dx. It's a slope dy by dx. This is a slope, a value. This is slope. Slope is what? Tan theta. Tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base. Okay. Then I calculate dy by dx. Dy by dx. So dy by dx is what? Change in y. Change in y is y2 minus y1. Dx d is what? Change in x. y2 minus y1 and y change in x y1 minus y2. A value koi wala. So if you put the value, okay, this is 6 minus 10, 4 minus 2. Yes, x1, x2 value koi pe wala. What did you get is minus 2. What is the unit? Mole liter inverse second inverse. Right? D by dt h value is this. So rate of reactions. Then question number 1 on the number okay. So our rate of reactions, average rate of reactions are average. This is what? This is equal to in terms of hydrogen. Hydrogen minus 1 by 3. Okay. Answer 1 by 3, okay, d by d h2 by dt, right? Okay, d by dt of concentration of H2. And minus 1 by 3. 2 mamai calculate hit bang d by dt of H2 is this, d by dt of this, okay? Minus 2 moles inverse, unit is this, so minus into minus plus. Okay, so answer is 2 by 3 mole liter inverse second inverse. So your average rate of reactions, okay, this is 2 by 3 mole liter inverse second inverse. This is how you calculate. Second part of the question. Second part of the questions. What is it? Rate of disappearance of N2. Okay, rate of disappearance of N2. Rate of disappearance of N2. This one. Yeah. Rate of this. Okay. So N2 okay. This is your RAVG N2. Okay, minus on there 1 by 1 d by dt of N2. Okay. If any young pipe here, okay, modulus a gay yellow pipe d by dt of N2. Modulus and minus 2 pi plus. So this is equal to RAVG average rate. So this means what? This is what? Rate of disappearance of N2 is equal to RAVG. RAVG value is this 2 by 3 more liter inverse second inverse. Done. Now numerical, yeah, mama, dang lehi togzel there. I check to again sabang chemical kinetics, which was full of numericals. And okay, yeah, keep on question ni tan back hong pai thedi numerical te you prepare leo chen. So then outline again as well. Okay, so factors on which, okay, factor on which rate of reactions depends. Nature of reactants. Reactants te solid mo liquid mo gas mo. Why didn't they two polite? Ionic reactants Ionic reactants te and leuchin. Then again okay, silver nitrate ba I kill it. Plus some here minus some. Okay, NaCl plus some Cl minus some. Okay, these are all ionic compound reactions. It's okay. GCl, it's very fast PPT, okay, forms very fast. Plus NaNO3, right? Wait a second, Bangchi. For ionic compounds, for ionic reactants, rate of reaction is very fast. It's very fast. Okay. Bangchi Geldi. Okay, for ionic compound. For ionic reactants or compound, rate of reaction is very fast. No, not Kiyalo. Okay. So next is covalent compound. So you take the case of covalent compound. Okay. Tunya is ending. Class 12. Physical chemistry chapter poimo mama chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics ka changin reaction kinetics lege cha. Okay, so yai chapter hey unit in tu nai le rate of chemical reactions. Chemical reaction te rate calculation hitang pi. Ujin calculation tam pi ma tunya hi dile calculation tam pi ya. Okay, basically, how will you define chemical kinetics? It's a branch of physical chemistry which deals with bang rate of reactions. Nina bang rate of reaction te okay, tildang banga chichenga why rate of reaction hard mo all mo. Okay, so factors on which okay rate of reactions depends. Number 2. Okay, finally, mechanism of reactions. Okay, chemical kinetics. So, okay, chemical kinetics. Rate of reactions, factor on which rate of reaction depends. Then mechanism. Rate of reactions. Again, my introduction. Can have reaction hard, can have ola, can have moderate. Rate of reaction calculate chemical reaction tenga calculate jang phatom vekya phatom veklo chiti study dia Then rate of reactions India, general expressions for rate of reactions. India, why come kalena, why come in? Okay, so example India, which reactants. Okay, reactants talk is a rate of disappearance. Okay, you will understand. Okay, for the product, rate of appearance, ROA. Okay, rate of appearance, which unit for rate of reactions. India. Rate law definition Wikipedia, which order of reactions. Okay, first order, second order, third order. Example to okay, okay, and there will be lots of numerical involved here. Okay, graphical representation poimo namun muna. India graphical chichu reactants concentrations of reactants bangcha with time decrease. Reaction depends. Again, poimo mama. Detail in explanation to ibole numerical tampi calculation again baga chemical kinetics calculation dim mai waiter tamthi lam yen de hocha jodi Lena reaction can cut very fast man. Okay, very fast reactions. It's a Medina. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate. Test tube had a quick home legend in a microsecond, 10 to the power 6. Okay. Microsecond, what happened? Okay, silver AgCl. Okay, AgCl PPT, this is PPT, precipitate jichu atunga tui siang kyu kya mai theu ai hong khal khediu ai kele aromong tuam ma so hong thikuma hong khal khiao so this is PPT silver nitrate and the byproduct is NaNO3. Chemical reaction tenglaga hard pen pola hi okay NaCl to silver nitrate reactions. So this is one example of very fast reactions. Why rate of reactions here there calculate manlo patom lo okay. So rate of reactions for this is very fast. Okay, you cannot calculate. Nina very slow reactions reactions all. Example rusting of irons. Seek to yak. Okay, it takes years. Kum khat bangla mai ma okay in kunga seek ko le moisture je ke voile dai je ka all to yak engine. So it takes years to complete the reactions. The rate of reactions calculate so rate of reactions for this is not practical. Okay. Third, okay, moderate reactions. Rate fast lolo, slow lolo, alai holak. Example, suppose nitrogen, with hydrogen, you mix with hydrogen, you have this ammonia. Balance for 2 nitrogen, hydrogen group 2 6. Okay. Halolo, ololo, alai hol, speed lai hol lakaya, Bangzeka mechanism nitrogen ha triple bond hydrogen ha single bond okay. You need this bonds to break. Like it's they will form NH3 like this. Extra electron on there. Anyway, this is how it is formed. Okay. So we have bond break, bond form. Bond breaks and bond form. So it takes what is a kinlolo or lolo process ka once again. So for moderate reactions, rate of reactions is measurable. We calculate time. Why takahi study deal chemical kinetics. Rate of reactions. And it's okay. See for general reactions, okay, reactants produce product. R for reactants, P for products. So rate of reactions is what? Okay. Through concentration of reactants. But concentration of product increases. Chemical reaction reactant reactant concentration product concentration. So so you write like this: time taken. With time, how is concentration of a reactant decreases? Right? Reactants is equal to, with the passage of time, what happened? Concentration of product increases. Increase of concentration of product. Okay. Rate of reactions definition here. Okay. Which is symbol in a so rate of reactions. So we'll represent it by N. Okay. Rate of reactions. Okay. Average rate of reactions. Okay. Average rate of reactions. So del okay, this square bracket concentration symbol even. Yes, square bracket is for concentration, right? So of reactants with time delta T. Then okay, patunga concentration of reactants. Reaction top tana concentration of reactants. Del R divided by del T. T equal to 0, T equal to 5. So del T change in time is 5 minus 0. Right on there, okay. So minus here, okay. There's a decrease of concentration of reactants. Equal to plus. Positive lama concentration of product is increasing. So del concentration of P del T. By Hardy. Okay. So here negative sign indicate what? Indicates decrease in concentration of R. Positive indicate increase in concentration of product. Okay, so now, okay, rate of reactions expression. Okay, general expression of rate of reactions and forms all and all. Say you have this okay, reactant A to B, but here coefficients algebra 2x equal to 5 chita. Okay, coefficient of x is 2. Algebra home, okay, arithmetic we call this coefficient. X coefficient. Nitrogen plus 3 moles of hydrogen. Okay, it's 2. Coefficient in chemistry term we call it stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric coefficients. Okay, chemistry has stoichiometric coefficient again this is more correct. As actually why okay, hydrogen to nitrogen go from ammonia ki produce example number that's why we have to use stoichiometric. So A and B are stoichiometric coefficient of A and B respectively. And all A to B stoichiometric coefficient bangza za hem tong ki gong khomul product C to D on produced out. Right? Okay. Rate of reactions. So minus on the because this is reactant. Because A bang, B bang decrease. So there will be this stoichiometric coefficient will be going down again 1 by A. So coefficient of A, okay, del T, right, is equal to B le reactant say concentration decrease there. So 1 by B del concentration of B del T equal to a product here keep on product limit to plus plus it is understood as plus. So concentration of C divided by concentration of del T. Keep on 1 by D concentration of D divided by del T. Take a rate of reactions, average rate of reactions expression here. Then a formal definition of reactions. So buying in a paisuk 1 by 1 by 1 by. Okay. So reactants are minus 2 akom, product are plus 2 akom. Again concomitant tilkhat idioma. Rate of reactions there chini na kishin the khatka average rate of reactions to again. And in instantaneous rate of reactions. So in there average rate of reactions here instantaneous rate of reactions bangchi mudi. Okay, instantaneous rate of reactions. Okay, instantaneous rate of reactions you mudi there yeah del pencha you change it to small d. Okay. Instantaneous is at that moment a time on the time at that 5 seconds. What is that rate? Yeah, is average yeah keep on t equal to 0 keep on t equal to 10 seconds. What is the average rate? Now instantaneous time value t equal to 5. What is that? T equal to 10. What is that rate of reactions? Okay, for instantaneous small d kizang yeah average del means what? Big change. Del om namun tinga small d ko election why your instantaneous rate of reactions. So 1 minus 1 by A. Okay. Del om ta del the concentration of A dt. Yes. Okay. Minus 1 by B. Oh sorry, small d B by dt plus 1 by C small d C by dt. D by d dt, right? Instantaneous rate of reaction, average rate of reactions. Here again concomitant gen be di to ke zoi ton da he mama na so example chik chik la le okay XII dina 2a combined with 3b giving say 4c, right? Ethical reactants and product. Average rate of reactions calculate RAVG. Instantaneous rate of reactions calculate. Okay, start. So minus stoichiometric coefficient comes down. So d a del t equal to minus 1 by 3 del b del t equal to plus 1 by 4 del c del t. Okay. Average rate of reactions. Instantaneous rate of reactions 1 by 2 small d a dt minus 1 by 3 d p dt plus 1 by 4 d concentration of c dt. Okay. And on example 1, example 2, 3x plus 1y is giving 2z. Average rate of reactions 1 by 3 del x del t to minus 1 by 1 del y del t equal to plus 1 by 2 del z del t. Average instantaneous rate this one. Okay, delom namun tenga small d koi di. Small d. Nah. Yeah, I discussion by concurrent new ticket heading, okay? Rate of appearance suppose here rate of appearance of Z, okay? So from R O A, okay? Rate of appearance of Z bangchini gyalni ole. So this will be R O A will be Z A like okay? Yeah. Del Z del T. Okay? Del Z del T is rate of appearance of Z. Stoichiometric coefficient by below. And rate of disappearance. Rate of disappearance. Reactants T to say rate of appearance of disappearance of any one of them. X bang. So RO D of x will be what? Modulus of del x by del t. Coefficient here assign him y below. Same way, rate of what? Rate of disappearance of y. Rate of disappearance of y will be what? Coefficient boy below assign le boy below. So keep on modulus sunga koi del y divided by del t, right? Okay, good. Now we know unit of rate of reactions and so on. Unit of rate of reactions. Rate of reactions by definition is what? Atung lama concentration. annual time, yes. Concentration ka mole per liter, annual second. So spelling mol here, symbol ane gal mol, mol. Liter ano yung paisu second le no yung. Why is again unit of rate of reaction is mole liter inverse second inverse second. Bahada natin. Good. Okay, good. Numerical yan sa na tampi diwa. Tanpa diwa. Ano le? Right. Okay, average rate of reactions, rate of appearance of nitric oxide, rate of disappearance of oxygen for the following reactions. Say for ammonia plus 5O2 is giving 4NO plus 6 water molecule. Okay. Average rate, jaldi. Rate of appearance of NO. Yeah, product, first member of the product, by rate of appearance. Kenai koi modulas sungai koi dan. Rate of disappearance of O2, yeah, O2. White angle di ma. So, khatna yai, dot ni na. Average rate of reactions gel pani le.